Hi, it's Enfield, Connecticut car accident attorney Ryan McKeen here. Today I'm going to talk to you about one of the places we see a lot of car accidents in Enfield, and that's right up on Enfield Street in Enfield, really the stretch from right off the highway, off ramp, all the way down to the Long Meadow line. Coming up here upon the intersection, there's a no turn on red sign that's always bothered me. A lot of people make right turns on red at this intersection. Cars are coming very fast down Enfield Street, so you can really see that this particular intersection, there are a lot of accidents because cars off a highway at a high rate of speed, people making right on reds that they shouldn't make, people speeding down Enfield Street. You've got 4 lanes of traffic on each side. And also you have a speed limit on this road that is only 35 miles an hour. Ideally, Enfield is looking to slow traffic, but in all my years of traveling down Enfield Street, I don't think I've ever seen anybody travel 35 miles per hour. So as you can see, a little bit, we're going to talk about what makes this road so dangerous. First of all, a lot of, unfortunately, pedestrian accidents on Enfield Street as well. People who are walking who get hit in the shoulder. Sometimes at points like this and these straightaways near what used to be Alcorn School, you can see vehicles sometimes cross over the center lane. And as we head down here to Town Hall, and we get more into the Thompsonville district of Enfield, you start to see there are many corners and driveways and blocked views by cars and signs and a lot of traffic that you have, cutting across many lanes. You have traffic that is, going to do their business at the town hall. You have sports games, 4th of July. In Enfield. So this is a very, very busy commercial district. Lots of means of ingress and egress here that can cause some accidents for people who are not careful. Again, intersections all over the place through this area, 4 lanes, and you do see some accidents at these intersections. Enfield Street, I think, is one of the most beautiful streets in Connecticut, and certainly relevant to the town. But boy, is it awfully dangerous. And if you're watching this, you can see all the traffic, all the commercial business. You see residential houses that are over there. You see a small shoulder on the side of the road. Again, vehicles who are distracted as we approach this strip to the Long Meadow line. Again, right here, you see this truck pull out. Ooh, could have easily have pulled out into that secondary lane. So what you commonly see on Enfield Street as we head from where 91 is, coming off those ramps, all the way down to the Long Meadow line, there are a lot of car accidents. And what you really have to know is that if you're in a car accident, the Enfield police should respond to it, get pictures at the scene. If you are hurt, it's very important that you let the officer know, because sometimes, there are injuries that show up later that you may be unaware of. Sometimes you hurt more the day after. If you do, you want to go get checked out immediately. You want, if any pictures that you can get, if you have insurance information, you want to make sure that you get the other person's insurance information, and know that if you were in an accident on Enfield Street in Enfield, Connecticut, you don't have to talk to the other person's insurance. You should always talk to a lawyer. Again, whether it's me or my colleagues, there's no charge for consultations, at least with us, and I don't think with anybody else that I know of. Give an experienced Enfield car accident attorney a call. Have your case reviewed. You're not wasting anyone's time. That lawyer should be able to tell you whether or not you have a case, to protect your rights, to answer any questions that you may have. If you have any questions for me, you can give me a call, 860-471-8333.